Hi and welcome to Awen-lutherie. This is going to be a short video tutorial on one of the fundamentals of the guitar, and that is how to string a guitar. So there are many different ways of doing this. Everyone kind of has their own way that works for them, and this is exactly that. This is my own way that works for me. I suppose the benefits of this is there's none of that. There's some people you see, they put the string through the hole and then pull it back an inch and then wrap it and wind it, and there's none of that, and you still get good consistent results. So I grab the string first like this, and using my thumb pull it up like this here, and I've kept reasonable tension there. It's not taut, but it's not loose at all. And a couple of winds. Whoops. These winds are all going from the top on top of the last one. Now this last wind here, I'm keeping the thumb of my left hand on the first couple of winds, and this last one is going on top of my thumb, on top of my thumbnail. And it just pinged there, but we'll ignore that. And fitting it through. So now when I have it through, if you've done it right, you will have the end of the string. That last wind has gone in here on this side, on top of all of the original winds that we just put on first. But over here, there is one wind on top of the string end. So what that does is that functions just to pinch the end of the string, and it helps to keep the whole guitar in tune consistently. Since the very end of it is pinched, once the whole wrap tightens up fully, it's not going to go anywhere. And that's it, really. And you just rinse and repeat for the rest of them. But at the end, what you end up with is a nice clean winding on the post. So each one of them, they're just nice and clean. The string goes in at the bottom, winds up, and finishes at the top, as it should do. And it just looks tidy. It functions really well. I do this on every guitar I restring, and with great results. And when you have it like that and it's reasonably taut, so I pluck it and it's making a tone, whatever you want. Once you have it there, it should be reasonably tight. I cut it there about, what's that, about 1/4 inch from the post, so it's nice and tight. It's not in the way, it looks clean, and you're not going to stab your fingers. I hate when I see guitars come in for repair and they have the whole curl left on the headstock. I think it looks awful and you'll take an eye out. So please cut your string ends off. Hopefully this has been of some help to somebody, and thank you very much for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you very much.